Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video, we have the Anker PowerCore 10,000. So what this is a compact 10,000 milliamp hour power bank or portable battery. And what it allows you to do is charge your devices on the go. So let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. Comes in a nice cardboard box. I like that because you can recycle it. Looks like we have the device right here. Go ahead and put that to the side and see what else we have in the box. We have a welcome guide and then some marketing information. In this little accessories box, we have a very nice carrying case that is protective and cushioned. It also cinches down so you can secure the device, as well as a micro USB to USB charging cable that will charge the device as well as charge other devices using the power bank. Get this power bank out of the bag. Taking a closer look, it is very tiny. I would say it's about 3 inches long. So this is about half the size of the Anker PowerCore 20,000, and it is half the capacity at 10,000 milliamp hours instead of 20,000, so that's to be expected. On the top we have this very nice looking Anker logo, and the plastic just feels very sturdy. This is not cheap plastic, so I don't think you have to worry about it being brittle or cracking if you dropped it. This could survive a fall for sure. On the top we also have 4 indicator lights that let you know the charge level of the batteries inside the power bank. As you can see, it came halfway full. And these are blue, very easy to read. On the front here we have the USB output, and this has IQ technology, so it's going to recognize your phone and output the best current for your device, which is very cool and can offer some quick charging. Right here we have the input, and this is micro USB, so you charge this device with micro USB and then you can charge your devices via USB. All these connectors here are laid within the device, so you don't have to worry about them snagging or breaking off. It's a very well made power bank, as you can see. On the side of the Anker PowerCore 10,000 is the button that turns on the power and turns on the indicator lights. This is the only button on the power bank. Then on the bottom of the PowerCore 10,000 we have some of the information such as input and output. As you can see, a max output of 2.4 amps, which is pretty good for one output connector. And then the capacity of 10,000 milliamps. From a weight perspective, it weighs 14 ounces, which is less than a pound, so not bad there. Nothing that's going to cause too much weight in your pocket or in your backpack. And this is a pretty thin device at less than an inch thick, so it shouldn't be any problem to carry it in your pocket, purse, or backpack. Real quick, I just want to show what the PowerCore 10,000 looks like inside the carrying case. As you can see, it fits perfectly. There's still a lot of room in there, so if you want to put some charging cables or any kind of adapters, you could easily fit that in this bag. And as you can see here, the bag compresses down, so it's going to provide some protection for anything you put in there. Now that we've taken a closer look at the Anker PowerCore 10,000, I'm going to charge my phone with it and we'll see what kind of output we're getting. So I'm using an app here called Ampere to measure the current coming out of the battery. As you can see right here, I'm getting about 980 milliamps from the battery to my phone. That's pretty impressive. Still going up in the measurement as well. In my opinion, that's a very good output, and I'm very happy with it. So that was the Anker PowerCore 10,000. I have to say, overall, very impressed with this device. Could not really find any cons. For a price of around $25, you get the 10,000 milliamp hour battery inside a very compact and sleek design. It's also made of this very tough feeling plastic. A device like this is perfect for anybody to carry on a daily basis in their purse, backpack, or even in their pocket if they're going on a trip or a hike. And I would highly recommend it to anybody I know. If you have any questions about the Anker PowerCore 10,000, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link so you can find this exact device on Amazon. If you'd like to see more pictures and a write-up about this device, check out my blog at GaugingGadgets.com. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.